Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on privacy, or sorry, you click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just waiting to open with you here. So then it's going to show for you like this. Click here on post here. Then it's going to show for you like this. You will find your recommendations post. Can you disable it for email or for phone here? And here can you disable it for all next door notifications when you click on it here. That's my recommendations post disable with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.